Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how I completely changed the game logic with a simple change in my inventory, while completely starting over the inventory system. Not only does the new inventory look much better, but it also does a much better job of meeting the expectations players have of an inventory. Sure, it's not perfect yet, but what in the world is perfect? Is it the sky painted by nature? Is it the fruits of Mother Nature? Is it the environment? At first I tried to change the design to make it much more nicer. And I miss those bright green buttons that burn your retinas and take away your eyesight if you want to play the game after 10 PM. Yeah, they have been replaced by a modern, timeless black and white theme. In addition to a smaller text, the buttons have finally been given icons. These icons float up briefly when activated. It looks so beautiful. Now for the special price of $1, I also colored the labels which indicate special values such as the gold coins or gold and blue. And I just like this orange and teal look, and I think it also fits into the inventory to emphasize the special nature of these two items and values. Then I added a second row of slots. These are the slots for things that can be held in the hand of the player character. At the moment, these only include tools such as pickaxes or axes or weapons such as the bow. Maybe I will add the category for harvesting, because with the new improvement it is no longer possible to plant trees. I think I would like to reintroduce that. You can also finally drop things that you no longer need in your inventory. This is really important for your inventory management, because until now you could only remove items by using them up, and that's not the point of a good inventory. The items that you are deleting dropped into the world next to your character so that you can collect them again at any time if you need them. And I might add a final deletion, but at the moment it doesn't look like you'll need it. I need to add a lot more items anyway to make the crafting system and the drop function worthwhile. Now the game finally feels production ready. Okay, no, I still have a very long way to go, but things are slowly getting better. I still have a few things that I need to do to make the game really playable. I still need to add some life to all the characters. I still need to integrate this story into the game. I need to introduce some more wildlife plus items that can be dropped, and then I can create quests based on that to guide the player through the story. So, as I mentioned, I have to really do much more work. And then I can fix a few remaining bugs, and yeah, then we'll have a beautiful first major game. Simple as that. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If so, then please hit the like button, and if you do not want to miss any updates, then please hit the subscribe button to keep on track of the progress of Azaryia, and then we will see us in the next video. Bye.